Hi guys, I'm Mac. I've been working in industry for 3 years now as an environment concept artist, working both in-house and freelance. I've worked with clients such as Mirai, Humble Squid, Moonhead Games, Glow Production, and I'm currently an environment concept artist at Passion Republic. I'm here to tell you guys about the class I'll be teaching at Digital Blacksmith School, Set Dress to Impress, a 6-week beginner to intermediate class where I run you guys through my full process on how to create a 3/4 view environment. I'll be talking about this course in 3 separate parts. So in the first part, week 1 and week 2, we'll be focusing on fundamentals and the basics of design. I'll be talking to you guys about how to do research, how to do referencing, and how to do photo studies from this. We'll try some simple line drawings where we do a study and then we do a turnaround in different angle. In week 3 and week 4, we'll be starting on the main project for this course. In this phase, you'll be starting on ideation and sketches for the room that you'll be creating. I'll be showing you guys how I use Blender to visualize the ideas that I have. Don't worry if you haven't touched 3D before, because I'll be starting from the basic steps and I'll slowly walk you guys through it till you guys feel comfortable navigating Blender. In week 5 and 6, we'll be taking all the lessons that we've learned through this course and finalizing them into our project. You'll be doing a line drawing over your 3D base and then coloring it up. While some of this might sound a little bit overwhelming, don't worry, I'll be here to guide you guys throughout this entire course. The class will be Discord based. We'll have our feedback sessions every Saturday on Discord, and throughout the week I'll try to answer any questions you have and put in any helpful links that I can find. During the live sessions, I'll be working with you guys one-on-one and giving you guys personalized feedback according to the project that you're working on and the skill level that you are at. We'll be working closely together on a project that you enjoy, and hopefully by the end of this, you'll be able to set dress to impress. I'm looking forward to working together with you guys, and if any questions, don't be afraid to hit us up on these links.